The quality control process commences with a meticulous visual inspection utilizing a microscope or an automated optical inspection system, including substandard welds contamination, scratches, or component misalignment. This initial step is succeeded by electrical testing to validate circuit continuity and functionality through the measurement of current voltage and resistance. Subsequently, thermal cycling is employed to evaluate the simulation module's performance across a range of temperatures, thereby assessing its thermal resilience. The final phase involves environmental testing, which subjects the module to extreme conditions of humidity, dust, and vibration to test its robustness and durability. Should any defects or failures be detected, a thorough analysis of the root cause is conducted to implement corrective measures within the manufacturing process.